Hi, we're live at FABTECH 2023. This is James with SSPWeld. He does a lot of custom cases. James,
How you doing?
what got you into doing custom cases for people?
Well, I originally started just to do custom cases for myself, and then kind of took off from there.
Yeah?
Try to keep all my stuff organized and not broken and all over the place. And
So
stuff
naturally, you come as like an organized person. You like to be organized, like to have everything in its place.
Yep. Yeah.
Thing?
Totally. Yeah.
Oh, well,
Totally.
that's kind of cool.
Yep.
That kind of makes it sense for everything.
Oh yeah, definitely.
You've made some amazing cases for me, so I appreciate them.
Definitely.
Is there any products you want to showcase? Anything that you're like got new and up and coming? Something that
Yeah,
you
like a lot of our new stuff is right here for the show. We got some new foam styles, case styles.
Nice colorway. I like the purple and the black.
Colors. Got here.
The Miller pack, that's impressive to me. I like how everything kind of fits in itself. So if you're good portable welder, you can have everything right there.
And then we also have purge plug cases. All your purge plugs.
Oh yeah, for the TIG aesthetics
Yep.
and Ticons
Yep.
things. Yeah, those
Yep.
are nice, man.
Large diameters.
Large diameters, small diameters, small cases. Pretty much cups that fit anything. All right, man. Well, appreciate your time. Thanks so much, and have a good show.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.